Well, the hot real estate market seems to be all we've been hearing about for the last 2 years, but new reports out today say we're in the midst of a mild housing recession. Home prices are expected to decline, and it's supposed to continue over the next 3 years. As Corey Sidaway tells us, it's already affecting those trying to sell their homes on Vancouver Island.
That's why we did this, so that you can go like that.
This newly revamped home overlooking Cordova Bay is up for sale.
You can see on a really perfectly clear day, you can actually see Mount Garibaldi.
But surprisingly, it's been sitting on the market for 3 months.
So the house has been on the market since mid-September, and we have had some interest, but there has been a stabilization of the market.
And Mitchell isn't the only one feeling the side effects of a cooling housing market. New reports say that real estate prices are softening across Canada. And here in BC, some economists say we're in the midst of a mild recession.
Some of the federal changes in regulations, such as the stress tests, as well as the combination of provincial measures, such as the speculation tax, foreign buyer tax hikes, and higher interest rates, all coming together essentially to generate this slide in the housing market.
To put it in perspective, in November of 2017, a single-family home in Greater Victoria sold for an average of $902,985. This November, that average price dipped to $851,481, a drop of more than $51,000.
With 2016 and 2017 being two of the biggest years ever for Victoria real estate, when numbers come off that quite a bit, it can seem like a lot. But when we actually compare a lot this year compared to our 10-year historical average, we're getting back into more of those average and more normal markets.
And agents say it might be a good thing for buyers looking to get into the market.
Houses will sit on the market a little bit longer. I think you'll have a little bit more choice. And I think for sellers, they'll have to realize that the big price growth of the last couple of years is over.
Economists, real estate agents, and developers all agree the bubble hasn't burst and things aren't going to collapse.
Really, the conditions around construction have not drastically changed. So, houses will have to stay at this market unless we see a reduction in material costs and a reduction in trade costs.
So while the long overheated housing market cools, it's business as usual.
At the end of the day, a stable market is a happy market.
It's a homecoming almost half a year in the making.